Fiona 颶風啊，打去 PEI Island 咧，大概係加拿大嘅東岸啊，即係我懷疑Montreal 啊嗰頭都應該感覺到啊。我哋呢度都個天色都暗咗啦，同埋大風咗，有雨啦。我哋遠離佢好多㗎啦，已經。咁啊，最高風速去到時速150公里喎。Debris has blown off buildings, and heavy rain has caused localized flooding. Premier Denny King says the storm may be the worst the island has ever seen.
The impacts, as I say, have been far-reaching. By early accounts, the devastation looks to be beyond anything that we have witnessed before in Prince Edward Island.
But the true damage has yet to be assessed. PEI 冇見過咁鬼勁嘅風喎。And have kept reception centers for those impacted shuttered. King says the province has already requested disaster assistance funding from the federal government.
The immediate priority for EMO and the government is to get a full assessment of the damage.
有一次個客買咗間屋咧，咁啊未 closing，佢又去咗 PEI， 咁啊等佢飛翻過嚟，佢話未必買得切機票，咁最後都頒咗張機票翻過嚟。